Hello, good morning, friends. Now let us see the problem number 7 of in-text questions. What is the problem, students? Here in this question, which alkyl halide from the following pairs would you expect to react more rapidly by SN2 mechanism? Explain your answers. Okay, student. Firstly, you try to understand SN2 reaction, student. SN2 reaction when you talk about student. So first case is that is backside attack is there, student. Backside attack. And when backside attack is there, student, backside attack is there. So what is the point in this? What is the point? That is if suppose student, suppose if there is a bulky group is there in the backside, CH3 and CH3, okay, and here is X. So it is not possible from the backside, it is not possible to attack on the carbon, okay. So what they are saying, student, that is if the bulky group is there 2CH3. So what is the point, student? What the point we can do? Second point, that is bulky group means steric hindrance will be there. So that is bulky group, okay, bulky group in bracket steric steric hindrance. What it will do, student, is steric hindrance decreases the reactivity of SN2 reaction, okay, SN2 reaction. So they have given 3 point, they have 3 question they are given, student. What is the question? These are their, student, you see. And then they are asking which will go faster. So student, how can you be able to answer this question? Let me erase this out and then we will be able to ask answers. So students, that is you should know that is where the hysteric hindrance is very heavily, okay, and then only you will be able to answer. So let us see the order of hysteric hindrance, student. First of all, that is if you are understanding the order, so here is order is CH3. So here is X group and this is CH3 group. This is 3-degree carbocation, student. It is not possible to attack from the back side. So it is the least reactive. Then which one is, student? CH3 C. Here is CH3 and here is H and here is X. So this is 2 degree and this is also the less reactive compared to 1 degree. So 1 degree is what, student? CH3 CH2 Cl. Yeah, you can write X and finally CH3X. So dear student, this is the order of reactivity of SN2 reaction. Order of reactivity of SN2 reaction. Reactivity of SN2 reaction. SN2 reaction. Okay. This is 1 degree, student. This is also 1 degree. So what they are saying, student, this is the question they have given, student, this question. So if you check it out, student, if this the question, so this hydrogen is 2 degree 2 degree carbon, here is. So this is the 2 degree and this is 1 degree. So if you are talking about the first question, student, so let us draw this one, first one. So for better understanding, we are doing diagrammatical way also. So this one is, if you are talking, student, CH3 CH2 CH2 and that is CH2 Br. So this is, student, 1 degree. So this will give faster SN1 reaction, this will give faster SN1 reaction, SN2 faster SN2 reaction. And that is, if you are talking about the isomer of this, student, CH3 CH2, here is CH and CH3 and here is Br is there. So student, this is 2 degree, alpha carbon is attached to 2 other carbon, so this is 2 degree, okay. So it will be slower, okay. Now let us move and see, student, another question. What is there? Another problem they have also given, student. What is this problem? This one, CH3 CH2 CH3. This is also, student, 2 degree. If you see, this is the 2 degree and this is 3 degree, okay, because alpha carbon is attached to 3 other carbon and here is alpha carbon is attached to only 2 carbon, so 2 degree and 3 degree. So which will be faster SN2 reaction? This will give the faster SN2 reaction. So if you are talking about the second one, so that is this will give CH3 CH2 CH and CH3, and here is what student Br. So this will give the faster, this will give faster SN, faster SN2 reaction. And compare to what student, if you are talking about compare to, so compare to these 3 degrees students. Okay, here is Bia and all the 3 places CH3 group will be there student. So this will be give the faster reaction. Here three bulky group are there. Now let us see the student third point. What are the third question? If you check out student third question, if you see student, here is what is this is student, this is 1 degree and this is also 1 degree. Okay, both are 1 degree student. Then what we will be able to see student, firstly let us draw the diagram student of this both the hydrocarbon. Draw the diagram, then let us try to understand which will give the faster SN2 reaction. So here is the, in the first case it is there student CH3 CH, and that is CH2 CH2 and Br is there, and here is that is CH3, and another portion is there, another option, or that is CH3 CH2 CH2, this is CH, and here is that is CH3 and CH2 and Br. So student, the this has to attack on this carbon, okay, this carbon, and here is also this carbon. So here you see bulky group is there student, backside attack, here you see there is another bulky group is there, but here attack is easy. So this is the easy attack and this is the difficult attack, student. So that is which one will be our correct answer? This is, because this side chain is far away from this place, so that it will give, that is what student, that is the faster SN2 reaction. So thank you so much for watching friends.